In this video, I'm going to show you sign up for Google Ads account. If you want to create Google Ads account, so you have come to the right place. Before I start the video, I want to ask you guys a question. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Be sure to watch the video to the very end. Let's start. So first of all, search here on Google Ads. So click start. So this is a very simple Google Ads account creation. Okay, create your first campaign. No skip. So no, submit. Continue to your account. So this is my Google AdSense. AdSense. Then click here appearance. Search here at campaign. No, I tools. Click here. Keyword planner. So I got it. So click here. So there is, for example, I create ads on, for example, Google. So search here. So check it here. You create campaign. How is you creating campaign? So click here. So okay. Thank you for watching.